How to get App Store back on iPhone. Restoring access to the App Store on your iPhone can be accomplished through a series of systematic troubleshooting steps. If you cannot find the App Store icon on your device, the first thing to do is to check the app library. Simply swipe left on your home screen to access the app library and search for the App Store. If it still does not appear, you may need to explore further options. One common reason for the App Store's disappearance is the presence of screen time restrictions. To check this, go to your device's settings and select Screen Time. From there, navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Within this menu, look for settings related to iTunes and App Store purchases, as well as options for installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases. Ensure that these settings are enabled and set to Allow. This adjustment may restore the App Store icon to your device. If adjusting screen time settings does not resolve the issue, consider disabling content and privacy restrictions altogether. If that still does not work, you can reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings General, then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset All Settings. This action will not erase your data, but will reset configurations that may be causing issues with the App Store. In cases where previous methods have failed, you can perform a software update to ensure that your iOS is current. Navigate to Settings General and Software Update and check for any available updates. Updating your operating system often restores missing applications like the App Store. As a last resort, if none of these solutions work, you may need to erase all content and settings on your device. Before proceeding with this step, ensure that you back up all important data, such as apps, photos, and messages. After erasing your device, you can restore it from an iCloud backup, which should include the App Store.